All right, bros. I have to record this really quickly because I have to go, and I'd rather do this now instead of later. But if I choose to do it later, you'll see that the video probably cuts into something else. Anyways, today we got absolutely fucking trolled. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. The direction was right. Direction of liquidity was right. Our bias was correct. Our entry was good. It was very valid. I mean, I'd take this any day. I mean, for God's sake, I full ported 500 accounts to pass them, and I fucking blew all of them. So you kind of know what's going on. Unfortunately, I took some dumbass trades this morning, and I got really bad fills on all of them. So I ended up losing $3.56, as you can see right there on that account. I took let's see, I took one loss on a Nasdaq long. I took a win on a US 30 sell. I took another loss on a Nasdaq long, which is the same long that I took on my funds account, and then I took a final Nasdaq long, which was essentially the same long that I took, but I got trolled. So let's go over all of these. The first two were velocity trades, so I'm not going to go over them because I'm not 100% on that strategy yet. But basically, on Nasdaq, I took a long. Where is it? Yeah, I took a long right here, and then we went all the way down here, and I thought we were gonna flip, so I exited, and I am stupid, so it would have worked out, but it is what it is. And then on US 30, I took a short, which is super obvious. You'll see that. Wait, not US 30. YM. You'll see that we open, we wick out all-time highs right here. We break this level right here. My target was right here. I was thinking about holding, but I'm glad I didn't because I went break even after this, and I would have gotten break even, and then I would have gotten trolled. But I mean, gee, fucking hell. But I will likely take. Next time I take a trade on US 30 and I see us just ripping, I'm probably just gonna hold and wait and see what happens. But anyways, getting into Nasdaq Reno today. Nasdaq Barino got fucking trolled, as always. So going into today, it was very obvious. We are very bullish. I mean, for God's sake, look at this 4-hour chart, right? We have these previous week highs, and we have these 4-hour highs right here. Let's go to the hourly chart. We're literally holding this 1-hour gap perfectly, this 1-hour gap perfectly, and we slowly trickle into the halfway point of this range, and we're seeing a reaction to the upside. So I'm like, okay, dude, this is so obvious. What's going to happen here is we're going to take this high, we're going to trade above it, then we're going to retrace, and then we're going to take out all this high right up here. So that's basically what happened. And I called this out on the Discord again if you join, link down below. I call this shit out for free as always. So we had basically the market open and rips up. What I'm waiting for is a 15-minute gap, which formed after 10 a.m. news, which is perfect. The news pushed it down to here. And what do we see? We see price come into not only the middle of the range, like not only the halfway point of the range, right here, we saw us inverse a 1-minute gap, a 2-minute gap, and a 3-minute gap at the same time. So my trade was the following. I thought we were, dude, this looks so picture perfect. That's why I full ported the accounts. I had a horrible entry. I got a disgustingly bad entry up here. But anyways, the trade would have been this. With stops below probably like this candle right here. And the targets being all the way up here. This was just beautiful. Beautiful trade. I mean, God, perfect trade. Literally couldn't ask for anything better. And we just get trolled. Immediately, we just push down into the stop loss. We get trolled. And then we form this other 1-minute inverse value gap right here. So I'll just show you guys. This 1-minute inverse value gap right here off of this candle. We enter and then we rip up basically immediately. And then this happened, which was super weird. I don't know what the hell this was about, but I got lucky because in this second trade, my broker for some reason exited me basically at the very top. So I'm very lucky for that on the live account. This is a trade that honestly I can't be mad about. Like straight up, I can't be mad about this. It's hits all my confluences. It just didn't work out today. Today with price was kind of difficult. It is what it is. Tomorrow we'll get back into it, and then Friday we're gonna do a full port NFP type shit for passing funded accounts. Yeah, I mean, to think why the market moved today, we're clearly very bullish. ES was obviously trading like was searching all-time highs, and we did have like a super high bearish SMT, but the draw was so clear. I mean, look at this 4-hour right here, right? From yesterday. we basically trade way out of this 1 hour, this 4 hour gap right here, right? And we're trading slowly up, trickling up, trickling up. Every single one of these retraces continues with a big push up. So obviously we have this direction of liquidity right here. What were the chances for today for us to take this high and then come all the way down into here? Pretty low, man. Like if we push above this super strongly while holding 1 hour gap, while holding another 1 hour gap, while having very clear bullish moves up, we're probably gonna hold these two gaps. Like or we're gonna seek this liquidity, especially because it's previous week's high. Like that's just obvious. It's like so obvious. So that's why I was super bullish for today. I mean, right now we're dumping. I wouldn't be surprised if now we start to see a big dump, something to the downside, but we gotta wait until tomorrow for that. So I'll leave this video at this, just leaving it a little short. This will be obviously episode 3. Not the start we wanted. Not the start we wanted, okay? But it's only day 3. There's plenty of trading days in the year. 250 trading days to be exact. So I'll catch you guys on episode 4. Episode 4, yes. And hopefully we don't get fucked.